The sides of a triangle are length m squared minus n squared, m squared plus n squared, and 2mn units respectively. Show that the triangle is right angled. Solution. First of all, you have to determine which of these is the greatest. And as you can see, if you take a value for m and a value for n, say your m is 3 squared, and your n is 2 squared. So 9 minus 4 is 5. But 9 plus 4 is 13. And again, 4 times 2 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. So the greatest here is m squared plus n squared. That will give you the hypotenuse. Solution. We sketch the triangle, and the hypotenuse is m squared plus n squared, because it's the greatest of the three sides. 2m squared and m squared minus n squared is the other two sides. Now by Pythagoras rule, the square of the hypotenuse, which is m squared plus n squared all squared, will be equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. That is 2mn squared plus m squared minus n squared all squared. Now we'll take this at the left hand side of the equation, while this one is the right hand side of the equation. We will start with the left hand side, which is m squared plus n squared all squared, expanded to become this, and which eventually is equal to m squared times m squared is m raised to the power 4. M squared times n squared is m squared n squared. Another n squared times m squared will be m squared n squared, which is 2 of this now, so plus 2 of m squared n squared. Then plus n squared times n squared, which is n raised to the power 4. That is the left hand side of the equation.